Welcome to another video lecture series on circuit theory. I'm Dr. Vino. So let us see this problem. Here you have two current source and two voltage source, and here I'm going to apply a mesh equation for these four loops. So the current flowing through this one is I1, I2, I3, and I4. Okay, so I can write I1 is equal to 1 amps, right? So I'm going to apply the mesh loop for the first loop. So V1 is second loop. So V1 is equal to 8 I2 plus 4 into I2 minus I4. So the second write it as 12 I2 minus 4 I4. That is equal to V1. So this is my first equation. So you can see this 4 I2 minus I4 I can write as V2. Okay. So V1. Basically, I need to find the value of V1. So V1 is equal to 2 into I1 minus I2. So this substituting I1 is equal to 1. So I will get V1 is equal to 2 minus 2I2. Okay. So this is my second equation. So substitute the second equation, the first equation, you get 2 minus 2I2 is equal to 12 I2 minus 4I4. So 1 minus I2 is equal to 6I2 minus 2I4. So 1 is equal to 7I2 minus 2I4. Okay, this is what I'm getting in the third equation. Okay, so I need to form another equation with respect to I2 and I4. So I have to apply a super mesh method. So you can see the 4 amps current is in between I3 and I4. So I can write I3 minus I4 is equal to 4. Okay, so the I3 and I3 current and the 4 amps is in the same direction. So I can write I3 minus I4 is equal to 4. That is my fourth equation. Okay, so I can write 10 is equal to 4 into I4 minus 8 minus 20 plus 4 into I3. Okay, so this is my fifth equation. So this is if I remove the 4 amps in between this one, so I can write 10 is equal to this. So instead of this, I can take the whole loop, that is 10 is equal to, so it is going via the 2 8 and 2 and 8 resistors, and followed by the 20 volt source and 4 volt is 4 ohm resistor. So 10 is equal to minus of 2 into I1 minus I2 plus 8 into I2 plus minus 20 plus 4 into I3. On expanding, I will get 10 is equal to minus 2 plus 2I2 plus 8I2 plus 4I3 minus 20. So I can write 32 is equal to 10I2 plus 4I3. So I can write 16 is equal to 5I2 plus 2I3. This is my sixth equation. So you know that I3 is equal to I4 plus 4 from the fourth equation. So you substitute in this equation. So 16 is equal to 5I2 plus 2 into I4 plus 8. So 8 is equal to 5I2 plus 2I4. So you can solve this equation with 1 is equal to 7I2 minus 2I4. Okay. So on solving, 9 is equal to 12I2. Okay. So 9 by 12 is your I2. That is equal to 3 by 4. So you will get the answer as 0.75. So this is your I2. So from the I2, I can find the value of I4. Right. So 1 is equal to 7 into 0.75 minus 2I4. So 2I4 is equal to 7 to 0.75 minus 1. So it's just nothing but on solving, I will get I4 is equal to 2.125. So once if I find the value of I2 and I4, V1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus I2. Right. So you substitute the value of I2, that is 0.75. So you will get V1 is equal to 2 into 0.25, that is nothing but 0.5. So once I find the value of V1, you can find the value of V2, that is equal to 4 into I2 minus I4. So I2 value 0.75 and I4 value also you know. So I can write V1 is equal to minus 5.5. So next I need to find the power which is supplied by the 1 amp source. So the power, it is nothing but V into I. So the current is 1 amps. So the voltage across the 1 amps is V1 plus 10 volt. And you know the value of V1, right? So V1 is 0.5 and 10 volt. So you will get 1 into V1 plus 10, which is nothing but V1 plus 10. That is nothing but 10.5 watt. Next, they are asked to find the power which is here. If it is upmark means it is a power delivered. Okay, so what is I3? I3 is equal to I4 plus 4. So I3 is equal to 2.125 plus 4 is nothing but 6.125. So what is the next question? Power supplied by the 4 amp source. So 4 amps into I3 into 4 minus 10, because it is uh, 4 into the current flow in the question is nothing but what is the power supplied with the 4 amps is 4 amps into I3 into 4 plus minus 10, which is nothing but 4 into 6.125 into 4 minus 10. So you will get 58 watts. Next is the power delivered by the 8 ohm source. So I can write I square 8. So here the current flowing through the 8 amps is 8 ohm is I2. So I2 value is 0.75, the whole square into 8, which is nothing but 4.5 watts. Next, they're asked to find the power supplied by the 10 volt source. So 10 volt into the current flowing through this one is I1 minus I3 minus I1. Why I3 minus I1 is it is a power delivered, so it should be in the opposite direction. So plus minus 20 plus minus 20 into minus I4. That is a power which is supplied by the 10 ohm source. So 10 into I3 minus I1. What is 10 into I3 minus I1? And why they have written minus 20 of minus I4. It is nothing but uh, 10 into I3 minus I4 is 6.125 minus 1 plus the power delivered by the 20 volt sources. Minus 20 is the value they given, and since it is power delivered, it is minus I4. So they are asked power delivered by the both the source, that is 10 volt source and the 20 volt source. So it can be, it is nothing but 51.25 plus 42.5, it is nothing but 93.75. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you very much for your patient listening. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you very much.